Hello, this is Hans Walter with Adventure Drives, and I'm going to show you our privacy screen add-on for the Promaster van. It's kind of like a great big bra for the front end of the bus. There are two ears, one for each side, that hook into the doors. I'm going to show you how to do that. Also note, the shiny side is out. You have the shiny side out, dull side in. Okay? Good to just kind of bunch it up, gather it up, and then use the pocket to hook open the door. Make sure it's seated properly and you don't bunch anything up. Bring it over top of the mirror and simply walk it around. Bring that to the other side. And on this side, same thing applies. Drop the door and you stretch it out. You have little magnets that hold it down, and it's also keeps the sun out, keeps you private. A little bit of a Velcro piece here, and you're all done. All right, so now to remove the privacy screen, it's very simple. One thing to remember: don't jam the doors open. Just open them slightly, just a little bit, and you'll have enough space to release the cloth. Just roll it up, fold it up however you can to get it off. And simple. That's our instruction. And then you get to do the map folding to get it back in the bag.